I'm trying to adjust the sign. Y'all keep talking, man. You recording?
E-Honda.
Turned up and I get it.
Get it.
Niggas on my dick.
Now.
Fuck all that bullshit and I'ma hit you getting that lick.
Yeah.
They fired up and they gone. Nigga, I'm up in my zone. Them pussy niggas, they lurking, but they niggas won't be found. My niggas come in packs. These niggas talking like rats. They keep talking that shit. I bust them niggas like my stacks. I'm riding around excursion. 24s and they hurting. Y'all niggas talking that bullshit and I ain't even my word.
Turn up.
I don't give a damn.
Yeah.
Niggas going ham.
What?
Me and Lil Rude, nigga, you know it's going down. Super on the side. Yeah, they talking shit, but I don't think they want it. Them niggas, they ain't shit.
What?
I'm Southside and I get it. Them niggas all in my face.
Bro.
I gon' get that Nina and blow his ass away.
Bro.
That's real, nigga. Recognize real, nigga. This how I live. I'm old part, little nigga. So come and get this shit. Them niggas there to be talking like they want this shit, but every time that I come around, them niggas there to be mumbling. They don't want this shit. They body feeling like gummy, talking all that shit to get your ass hit straight humming. Woo! I'm counting.